I'm gonna show you 2 ways to reduce anxiety and stress. I'm Sachthemotive, motivate you. 2 ways. The first way is the water technique. Get cold water and make sure it is cold. It has to be cold, and splash it on your face. The colder the water, the quicker your heart rate will drop. Boom. So we have like nerve endings in our face, and when you splash cold water on it, it's like an old remedy. It drops the heart rate, which drops anxiety levels. So when you're feeling anxious or whatever, you splash cold ice water on your face, just boom, your heart rate will drop and your anxiety will reduce. That's one technique. But what if you don't have water? Let's say there's no water around. What do? So this is the second technique. What I want you to do, anywhere you are, you put your finger on your nose on one side and breathe in from your nose only. So yeah, and then because I have to talk, so on the other side you let go of this and you put it on the other side now. Okay? And you go out. Then you repeat. So you keep it on there and you breathe in from your nose. Now switch, look, cause off and on and out. Do that a few times. Instantly, even me, I'm feeling relaxed. Your anxiety levels will drop wherever you are without water, and yeah, you can carry on your day and feel less anxious. Comment below if that worked for you. I'm Sachthemotive, let it motivate you. I hope that helps you, as anxiety can be bad for a lot of people. It can be quite bad for people. Everyone suffers anxiety, so you need techniques to reduce that. I'm Sachthemotive, let it motivate you. Over and out.